Police spot a car with a suspicious driver making tense turns. But when they pull him over, his desperate refusal to step out proves he is terrified of what they might find.
Copy, stop. Driver, pull on the side street.
No, for some reason my radio wasn't working.
Cool, man. So my name's Officer Apples with the United Times Police Department. I stopped you for improper lane use, alright? Okay. Relax, don't reach in your pockets.
Okay, I'm just trying to get my stuff for you guys.
You're fine, you're fine. So, if you get your license, insurance, and registration on you, that'd be great.
Yes.
I stopped you because when you make your turns, you gotta take the closest lane to travel. Left turn takes the closest left lane, right turn makes the closest right lane. Does that kind of make sense?
Yes.
Alright, why are you shaking so much?
I'm just nervous.
Why?
I don't know. And then I'm getting pulled over. I see you guys behind me. I'm like, okay, I already know they're gonna pull me over.
Why?
I can see you. I mean, I know. I'm like, okay.
Alright, you got insurance and registration on you?
Yeah, I'm just looking for insurance here. Hold on.
Alright.
That's why I was like, okay, let me do this. I don't like being pulled over, nor does anybody. I just got out of work after being there for 12 hours.
Alright, why don't you look for it? I'll be right back with you, okay? Alright. He provide you with insurance?
I will call my attorney. I got pulled over.
If you don't get out, I'm going to place you under arrest.
This was just, I literally just got pulled over for a traffic violation. Why am I getting out of the vehicle?
Calm down.
No.
Listen to me.
I'm not consenting
Listen to me.
I'm not consenting to anything.
You were reaching around the whole lot.
Let me show you something.
I went for
Let me
this.
show you something.
Get my license
Can I show you something? Can I show you something so I'm not BSing you, okay?
I went to here to get my stuff. Sure.
Listen to me. Pennsylvania vs. Mimms. Have you ever heard of that case law?
Sir.
Andrew, listen to me. Have you heard that case
law?
I'm not getting
I got an idea. I didn't get insurance or registration.
I got pulled over for a traffic violation. 5 people on me.
Okay. The Pennsylvania vs. Mimms, it's case law.
I don't care.
If you're ordered to step out of the vehicle by a police officer, you're required to do so.
Okay?
You want to call your attorney?
Yes.
Okay.
I do not have to consent to anything. I did nothing wrong besides pull and turn. That is it. So please tell me why I'm this deep with 5 people. With 2 detectives and
Right now, you're disobeying a law.
No, I'm not. I'm asking why I have all these people when I just got a simple traffic violation. That is nothing. Why is everything here?
You were being stopped for a violation, right?
Yes.
Here, I'm just going to explain you from our eyes, okay?
No.
Hold on. You were stopped. You were doing a lot of movement, which is not typical of someone that is stopped. Okay, so we have a concern that there might be a weapon or something. That is why you're being asked to come outside the vehicle.
I do not have to go outside the vehicle. This is a traffic violation.
Hey,
Traffic violation.
you're right.
No.
So you were stopped for a traffic violation.
Yes.
Have you located the registration insurance per request?
My registration, my license is right here.
Can you at least take the keys out of the ignition for us?
There's no keys.
Okay, can you at least turn the vehicle off for us?
4151.
This is an officer safety thing, all right?
I did nothing wrong
Please
besides
come
a traffic violation. This is a pitch and pull. I am not going to do it. I did nothing wrong.
What?
This is why do you have all these detectives?
Our officers work alone.
Can I
we're
just
coming
go
to
home,
assist them.
please?
No. The more that you cooperate with us, the smoother this will be.
No,
okay?
it's not.
If you're refusing to get out of the car, you're refusing to give us the proper identification, you're refusing to give us the insurance, that raises our suspicion even more.
I have insurance. I'm looking for right here. God.
Officer Barnes stopped the driver for improper lane use under 625 Illinois compiled statutes, section 5/11-709, failure to occupy the nearest lane when turning. The stop was lawful. Officers immediately observed excessive movement and repeated reaching inside the cabin. Under Terry versus Ohio, decided by the Supreme Court in 1968, that is sufficient articulable suspicion to justify a heightened safety response.
I'm trying to fix exactly what I
Let me tell you something. This does...
Hey. Maybe stay on the sidewalk.
You're making this so much worse.
Can I get my violation? That's what I was here for. That is all I'm trying to freaking do. You know, find my insurance paper. And I'm having a hard time because you guys are literally, can I have a moment to myself?
We're right here. We don't feel safe with you. We don't feel safe walking away considering you were reaching. We don't know what's inside the vehicle. We saw you, man.
Yeah, I was reaching to get my paperwork.
Okay, but we don't know that. You could have been doing that. I'm not saying you're a liar, but you could have been. You were reaching under the seat. It looked like. How do we not know there's any weapons in the
Right
car?
to here. You can look at your camera.
I know, and a lot of people keep weapons in there, man.
I have.
I believe
There's
you.
no weapons
I
in
believe
this
you
car.
now because I could see, but prior to us pulling you over.
There's nothing in here. Okay, my license, I have a valid license, you know this. Everything keeps coming out of my pockets at work. I have one, I have insurance.
You said you're on probation, right?
I am.
Okay, now listen to me. Don't interrupt me. We could do this the easy way, which is you step. Okay, thank you. Now listen to me. Stop.
I got it.
Anyway, I got pulled over for a traffic violation. I want my
I'm going to
traffic
explain this to you. I'm going to explain this to you, okay?
There's nothing.
Let me explain this
I
to
do
you.
not have to consent to any
Okay,
of this.
if you step out of the vehicle and you let us do our thing,
No, I'm not consenting to a search. of
okay,
my
then we're going to
vehicle.
arrest you. It's going to violate your probation. You want to go down that road?
Don't.
Okay,
I
then
don't know why I
step
can't
step
go
out of the
home,
vehicle.
Sir. I did nothing.
Dude, I'm going to give you one more chance. Listen to me. One more chance.
Dude,
One
as soon
more
as I
chance.
do this, you're going to do what you're going to do. It's fine. No.
Okay, so you.
Andrew, you're under arrest. Get out of the vehicle.
I do not consent to any of this. No, I do not have.
You're under arrest. Get out of the vehicle.
I did not do anything. I did not do anything. Why are you doing this? I have a goal. This is a repaired shoulder. I'm not resisting. I'm not. Dude, my shoulder is a repaired shoulder. Come on. It hurts. I am, but you're hurting yourself.
I'm not even touching
Dude,
your shoulder.
do you see this? I have a.
Don't turn towards us.
No.
Relax.
Literally,
Relax.
you guys are. I have a repaired shoulder.
Hold on, just let him get the cuffs on so we can see.
The driver refused to exit, claiming he did not consent. That argument fails. Pennsylvania versus Mimms, decided in 1977, holds that officers may order a driver out of the vehicle during any lawful stop. Consent is irrelevant. The driver then cited Mimms in support of his refusal, a fatal misreading. Mimms grants officers the exit order authority. He cited the case that defeated his own position. Refusal to comply constitutes obstructing a peace officer under 720 Illinois compiled statutes, section 5/31-1. Officers issued multiple verbal warnings before resorting to physical extraction. No weaponized force was used. Under Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989, that force was proportionate. Post-arrest vehicle search was constitutionally valid. Arizona decided in 2009, permits vehicle search when evidence of the arrest offense may be present. Once narcotics were found on the subject's person, that standard was satisfied.
What we need to do to make that so John.
Alright, let's search him real quick.
1407, what's your
Yes,
location?
I have. What feet are you?
Let me take 6.
He's with 614 on the
Where are you?
Alright, so we're just copied, one in custody, correct?
No, that's one eye.
You're getting this up. Be having something? Come on, dude.
No, I do have something there. Should be right there.
Coin back in your pocket, okay?
Can you grab a bag? Just like a.
Of course, so I'm gonna go for this, right?
No, well, now you are.
But why? Dude, I
So
literally
here's the
just did
thing,
nothing, dude. I just
a free
want to
piece
go
of advice in
home.
the future. The state's attorney probably
I just
may or may
wanna
not
go home,
proceed on
dude.
that, but the obstructing.
No, I
may
did
go.
not obstruct. I just wanted to know why I was pulled over and I get
Andrew,
a
Andrew,
citation.
Stop. We already
Please.
explained all that to you. You didn't have to.
No, I would
Stop.
have.
But you
Please
did.
please don't do this, please. I don't.
We aren't doing. You're doing.
I know. I will comply with what you want. Just
I appreciate it. That's all we're asking for.
Okay.
You to be cooperative with us. Is there anything else in the vehicle? And you have to be honest with us. Is there anything else in the vehicle?
my wallet.
Illegal. Illegal. Is there any drugs in the vehicle?
No, there should be nothing else besides that.
There should be, or there
No,
isn't?
there is not. There's nothing else that I know of inside that vehicle.
No more heroin?
There's no. That's not heroin.
Okay, is that cocaine?
Yes.
Okay. No more cocaine?
No, there's no more cocaine in there. You can go search up and down everything else, but
Okay.
no, I'm not complying to the so being searched right
You'll
now.
search
But
it.
go ahead, that's fine. Actually, no, I do comply because I don't want to go against what you guys are trying to do.
Yep, I'm unlocking right now.
No, you're trying to say you're talking about the wallet.
Yeah, I said.
Alright, I think that's everything. Oh, the side? Alright. No, that's good. Yeah. Alright, walk around this side. Get in the back of the car.
Well, both. I'll give it eyes too. So
All right, cool.
Anything that's there.
Yeah,
All right,
please
cool.
do.
This is like
While handcuffed and in custody, the subject confirmed cocaine was present without receiving Miranda warnings. Under Miranda versus Arizona, decided in 1966, that statement may be suppressed. However, the physical cocaine survives under the independent source doctrine. The evidence stands regardless of the admission. Charges filed: possession of a controlled substance under 720 Illinois compiled statutes, section 5, 70/402. obstructing a peace officer under 720 Illinois compiled statutes, section 5/31-1. Improper lane use under 625 Illinois compiled statutes, section 5/11-709. Pre-trial detention hearing scheduled at Rolling Meadows Courthouse. Final disposition unknown. Officer Barnes receives a B-. The stop and exit order were legally sound. However, custodial questioning about narcotics without a Miranda advisement is a procedural failure. It hands the defense a suppression argument on the most damaging evidence of the encounter. The subject receives a C+. He knew his rights existed but misapplied them at every turn. He cited the wrong case, refused a lawful order, and confirmed cocaine while in custody without invoking the Fifth Amendment. Each error independently strengthened the prosecution. Supporting officers receive a B. Tactical coordination was solid, individual conduct remained measured, and no excessive force was deployed throughout a prolonged non-compliance incident. Lesson 1. Knowing a right exists is not the same as knowing how to exercise it. General constitutional awareness without precise legal application is worse than silence. It creates a false confidence that leads to avoidable errors. Lesson 2. Consent to a search and compliance with a lawful order are two separate legal concepts. The right to refuse consent survives a traffic stop. The right to refuse an exit order does not. Conflating them is the subject's central mistake. Lesson 3. Miranda warnings cost 30 seconds. Skipping them before custodial questioning about contraband costs the prosecution its most compelling evidence, the suspect's own words. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.